Now it's time for interesting fact time. Do you know that you could solve for the missing multiplier or multiplicand just by using division? If you're trying to find a missing multiplicand or multiplier, you can just divide the product by the given number to find the missing value. So if you're asked 5 times blank is equal to 10 and you're being asked for that missing multiplier, you can just divide 10 by 5 to get the answer, which is 2. This is because multiplication is just like the reverse of division. So if we have a grid or an array with 10 boxes in it, and we know that the length of this array is 5 boxes long, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we would know that the height of this array is 2 boxes high, which can be seen in these equations. This is the same for 6 times blank is equal to 18. So if we have an array or a grid with 18 boxes in it, and we know that the length of this grid or array is 6 boxes long, then we would know that this grid has a height of 3 boxes. And we can find this out by dividing 18 by 6. So the missing number for the equation 6 times blank is equal to 18 is 3. It's also the same for blank times 4 is equal to 20. So if we have a grid which has 20 boxes in it, and we know that one of the sides is 4, or that the array or the grid is 4 boxes high, then it would be easy for us to find out that this array is 5 boxes long. And we can find this out by dividing 20 by 4, which is 5. Did this video help you? Subscribe to us or follow us so you will be the first to know whenever we upload math help tutorial videos just for you. Here are some videos and playlists you might want to watch. Keep on learning.